This is our Depop intake for today. More orders coming. Let's get into it! This first one is literally from down the fucking street. I feel like the box is probably unnecessary. It is. It is unnecessary. This is a Gia Bustier extra small. This looks kind of big for extra small. Just a piece just to have. Not really too thrilled about it. So I'm excited for these should fit me. These should fit me. But they're smelly. They're called Academics jeans. Listen, they have this like sick zipper detail. This zips off. The top zips off as well, like just boom, top off, and boom, scarf off. Like, I have to wash all of this. That's why I'm not trying them on, honestly. Does that smell crazy? This is another Gia item. This is the set. So this is the top. I don't really care much for the top. I really just always liked these bottoms with the little like detail in them. Yeah, hopefully this looks great on me. And no one cares about the shirt. Nobody cares about the shirt. They have these 2 boxes and other shoes. So how the fuck do I open this? I always get the idea to just burn it. And I just know that's not a good idea. So okay, let's see what this is. Okay. Alright. I don't know if is this for me? I know what this is. Do they fit me? That's sick. What am I? Am I not dainty? That's sick. Can't even fit it. These are definitely shoes. These bitches. Look at this for me. Tell me I'm fucking bugging. They didn't look this blue. They didn't look that blue. Am I bugging? They didn't look that blue. Does that look blue? I'm looking at it now and I'm seeing the blue. I thought this was like beige and brown, or like gray and brown. I mean, they're so cute. Hey babe, what's up?
Hey babe, what are you doing?
I'm filming myself opening my Depop packages.
Oh, okay, I heard you. Oh no. Okay. Now you got it. And then just this.
So I'm annoyed because look at my face. I like my lashes. I'm gonna get over it because apparently they look good. Like, I already miss my old face. I'm just gonna hope that they fall off a lot tomorrow. But yeah, I'm unboxing some more packages from Depop. Okay. Ooh. The Gia set. That just brightened my mood. I'm not gonna lie. This could come in handy today on my errands run to get my little lashes done. Next is these. Whatever this is. This should be an exciting pants. Yeah, just some baggy ass cargos, just in case I need them. Nothing special. Thought they were gonna be exciting. Nothing special. Ooh, this is something exciting. A crocheted mini skirt. Ooh, that's mini. More packages today. Ooh. 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 First opening. Like, Gucci babe. Gucci babe. Gucci. That is a great first opening. I'm gonna keep that on for the rest of the openings. Oh, this is just a t-shirt. She's fucking stupid. It is a huge hole. She's like, it's not noticeable. Yeah, it's just a stupid t-shirt. I'm like, as a Capricorn, I should have something like this, you know? These shades are fine. My lashes are just too big for it at the moment. My nail! Stupid bitch. Ooh, my Orzund Iris tank top. If you know me, you know that I would wear my hands Fruit of the Loom, whatever the fuck tank top it is. If it had the little like printout on the inside of it, on the back of it, I would wear the tank top backwards and inside out. So it would look like the Orzund Iris tank top. And then I finally decided I can get one of these, and this is it. Cute little basic. I realized I'm like, I love a good personality basic. This is the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like, I have no idea what this is. It's like about, it's giving Genghis Khan. Like, I'm like, how do you put this on? This on. How do you put this on? Oh no. And that means this is this big. And these were good. Like a nice price. Like, these were not expensive for some Gucci shades. So I just went to the gym, and then I had to pick up this and this from the post office. They couldn't deliver it to my address for some reason, but they could deliver everything else. Oh my god, this is a little purse with a little Bible verse on it. Oh my god. Fake Christianity, fake Mormon, cowgirl realness.
Oh, but that is cute.
Isn't it? It says, I can do all this through him who gives me strength.
Him.
Them. Stop. Maybe me canceled from the Christian community. What the fuck is happening in here? We're just gonna ignore that. I'm just gonna, I don't know. I needed a cute medium bag. Can't do small bags all the time. Okay, I think these are shoes. Yes, yes. And I told her to put it in a box. Bitch. Bitch is not towards her. Thank you. Very nice lady. These are just little cute little, these look like they're gonna not be fun to wear, but tribal vibes, tribal. I've been feeling very tribal lately.
That's gonna be good.
What do I say? What do you call it? Vibes.
Vibes.
Very hot, very cute. Sexy. Thick heels, so like I could probably wear this all day. Honestly, I'm gonna attempt to make my room very like books everywhere, boxes everywhere vibe. Like,
What the hell, mess?
like in a minimalist way. Another pair of shoes. Are these ugly?
Cutie.
Yeah, they're just like, they were like $40. I was like,
Wear those to the gym.
I'm gonna wear these like in the outfits too though. Like yeah, like I do streetwear. Stop! I've been doing this. Every time I want to show the shoe, I'll be like. And that's it, and that's all. These are actually really comfortable already. I'm happy about that. But I'm not keeping this Nike box. You can have that. Like, it was never giving Nike box in the room. So I'm gonna start with the one that I already obviously opened. I was excited. It was a big box, and I just got home from LA. Of course I opened it. It was a huge box. So basically, are you ready, bitches? Gag. Okay, so obviously, tried it on. It's a little tight, but I'm going to be chewing. And then I got these two. I've not opened yet. There's no way. Like, I got again. This on the fucking website was gray and yellow. Is this gray? This is blue. Blue. I'm gonna show you the picture. On the website, on Depop, it was gray and fucking yellow. It was like a dark gray and fucking yellow. I'm not bugging. You bitches are fucking editing photos or something to make these things look like this. Anyway, some cute little booty shorts. And this is from London, so this better be fucking good. Actually, I think I know exactly what this is. It is good. How do I open it? This is the skirt. This is too big for me. It's cute. That's the back. This front. I didn't get that set for the shirt or for the skirt. I got it for the shirt, which is kind of drawstringy. So, damn, this is kind of big too. But this should be cunt. Okay, this is supposed to be like an elite ass tube top. Okay, that's not gonna fall down. It's extra small, so it should fit me. But do you see how fucking snatched? Oh my god. I am in this. This is an elite tube top. This tube top is not going to embarrass you. Okay? Damn, I got chicken wings on the floor. Fall in love again and again. The accent comes with it. The accent will never leave. These are my Isumiyaki slides. Hold up. They're so like, they're like houseless core, okay? That's so cute. R.I.P. R.I.P. They're a little tight. What? Chicken is so good.